We are now going to move on to senior course options. So you will have a digital course request sheet to fill out, and it will go over this step by step with you. Your first choice will be your senior English. You may choose English 4, English Language A, ACE, and Dual Enrollment English 3, English 4. Your second choice will be your senior math. Now, even if you have the 4 credits in math, you must take a senior math class. You may choose pre-calculus honors, statistics honors, bridge or sales math, AP calculus AB, AP statistics, ACE math, or dual enrollment college algebra statistics. Your science choices will be chemistry, IGSE, AP biology, physics, and AP physics. For your social studies and PE credits, the sequence that you will take these courses will depend on your academy. So for Health Science and IT Academy seniors, you will take PE Semester 1 if you still need your PE credit with U.S. Government Semester 2. You will take Economics Semester 1 with your U.S. Government Semester 2 if you have your PE credit. And if you still need your Personal Finance credit, you will take Economics Semester 1 with Personal Finance Semester 2. Now, if you were in the Air or Engineering Academy, you will take your Government Semester 1 and your PE Semester 2 if you still need that. PE would substitute out for Economics Semester 2 if you've already taken your PE. So you would take your U.S. Government Semester 1 and your Economics Semester 2. If you still need your Personal Finance credit, you would take Personal Finance Semester 2 with your Economics Semester 2. Sorry, that's Personal Finance Semester 1 with your Economics Semester 2. Or you can take AP Government with AP Economics, or if you have taken U.S. History ACE AS, you would take U.S. History ACE A. For your foreign language requirement, you would have already taken Spanish 1, and you would move on to Spanish 2, either standard or IGSE. If you took Heritage Spanish 1, you would move on to Heritage Spanish 2. If you had taken U.S. or Spanish Heritage 2, you would take Spanish AP. If you took Latin 1, you would move on to Latin 2, and then you could take Latin 3 if you've already completed Latin 2. If you took French 1, you would take French 2, and if you took Heritage Arabic 1, you would take Heritage Arabic 2. If you still need your wellness and fine art requirement, you would go ahead and schedule your wellness as a choice. You may have already taken this course, so just ask your counselor if you're not sure in your meeting. And then you will have a fine art requirement. You may have already taken one of these. So theater art 1, art 1, orchestra, guitar, piano, or if you're an IT student, web design 1 would satisfy that request. So you may have already taken these courses. Each senior will need a senior capstone. This will be an individual capstone class. If you are an engineering student, your engineering course will satisfy this capstone class. Dual enrollment options through Nashville State Community College are English 3 and English 4, college algebra, and college statistics. You will have to complete an application through Nashville State. We will submit your high school transcript. They do require an ACT score. There are some substitutions if we do not have that ACT score because of COVID, but we will work with you on that. You can also take UT Martin dual enrollment. They do require a 3.0 GPA and a high school transcript, and then a dual enrollment agreement form. There are more options through UT Martin for dual enrollment. You see there's a large list. If you are interested in that, please ask your counselor in your individual meeting, and they will discuss those options with you. Post-secondary credit options, dual credit, which is different than dual enrollment. These are classes that you actually take at John Overton High School. You may take a dual credit personal finance, a dual credit academy pathway class through MEP or HVAC, web design 2, or intro to business and business management 2. Other post-secondary options are industry certifications. Again, you take this through your CTE class. Your engineering class, you will take an OSHA certification, and through the health science programs, you would either take pharmacy tech, EKG tech, Med Assistance, or Hootsuite. Language arts electives would include journalism, this is your yearbook staff, creative writing, advanced creative writing, intro to cinema studies, speech debate, or leadership. Your science electives would include ecology, nutrition science, AP physics, or AP biology. Social studies electives include ancient history, psychology, sociology, physiology, global religious studies, African American studies, AP government economics, if you took standard government economics, or the ACE US history, or AP human geography. Cambridge electives this year will be Global Perspectives AS, Global Perspectives A, and ACE Psychology. Now, if you took Art 1 as a prerequisite to satisfy your art credit, you could take IGSE Art 1, Art 2, Art 2 Photography, Art 3, or Web Design 1 if you are an IT student. Performing arts electives include band, wind ensemble, orchestra, world percussion, choir, piano 1 or piano 2, guitar 1 or guitar 2, theater arts, and if you're in the performing arts program, you could take drama, acting, theater production, advanced acting, and then there's also a music history, music theory class you could choose. For CTE electives, you may take computer applications or robotics. Anyone can sign up for computer applications. You can select robotics, but just know that only 25 students will be able to take this course. We only offer this course in one section. Seniors will get the first opportunity if you have not had this class already, but there will be a selection process. If you are an engineering student, your senior class will be Engineering 2 or Dual Enrollment Engineering this year. That name did change, but don't worry, we will still continue you on the engineering pathway. If you are a MEP student, you will take electrical, plumbing, HVAC this year, or next year, your senior year. If you're in Health Science Academy and you're in Diagnostic Services, you would take Anatomy and Physiology and or Cardiovascular Services. If you are a Therapeutic Clinical Services student, you would take Medical Therapeutics and or Pharmacology and or St. Thomas Senior Capstone. If you are an IT student in the programming program of study, you would take AP Computer Science. If you are in the networking pathway, you would take Cable and Internet Networking. If you are in the Web Design pathway, you would take Web Design 2. If you are in the AIR Academy, in the IRS Academy, you would take, if you were an Advanced International Diploma program, you would take ACE Global Perspectives A and then choose one other ACE course. If you were in the ISR pathway, you would take ISR Research 4. In the AIR Academy, if you were in the Marketing program of study, you would take Retail Operations. If you were in the Human Resource Management program, you would take Human Resource Management. Now, seniors also can take the opportunity of having a partial schedule next year. You must be on track to graduate. That means you must have completed 18 credits and do not need any credit recovery. You may have you need to have a job or an internship opportunity. You must have 5 or fewer unexcused absences. You must provide your own transportation to your job or your internship, and a parent and principal must sign off on a permission slip. Ask your counselor for this opportunity and they will give you the permission slip. So you will have a form to fill out for your course selection, but you will also need to go online and choose an appointment time with your counselor. So there is the link for your registration. You will get an individual appointment time starting on the 21st. Each student can sign up for their time to meet with their counselor. You will also have some Q&A times in your classes tomorrow. So a counselor will be in one of your classes and you can ask further questions. And then again, you will meet with your counselor individually to ask individual questions. Thank you very much.